Day 10, Christmas Street Suffix Tester. It is a little known fact that Santa's reindeer are orienting experts. They are very particular actually. To do this work well, they need to do some basic validation on the addresses. There were hopes among some reindeer to introduce the validation library this year, but there was simply too much infighting. It's kind of a mess, you see. Comet and Vixen want to use Zod because they heard from a YouTuber they liked it. It's the best. They haven't actually looked into anything else. Cupid and Rudolph are simply to use the JSON schema with AGV. They don't wanna learn a new thing. They both had popular Webpack plugins in the past that are no longer used by anyone, and now they are a little bitter about change in general. Then you have a Prancer. Prancer doesn't see the point in validation. Prancer feels that validating inputs pollutes the code with a type gymnastics that add ever so little joy to the development experience. Yep, even the reindeer have one of these on their team in 2023. Meanwhile, Blitzen is pushing hard for Typia because it's so fast, naturally. Dancer and Donor don't seem to ever be able to articulate their opinions and usually just follow the rest of the group. The types API. So for this year, nothing fancy, we'll have to just write a street suffix tester from scratch. This type will take two generic arguments. The first is for the street, and the second is for the suffix we are testing against. If the street ends with a suffix, then the type should return true, otherwise false. So we have a rest. It's a simple word which we can use in the code. So firstly, we need to go to test and notice that suffix have 2f. Let's change it. And we have two generic types, T and K. And we should return boolean, true or false. And we need to ask a question, so let's ask if T extends a string. It should contain the key, and we need to add type to key. It should extend the string, and we should infer the rest of a string. So that's it. Our test passed. Let's submit. Thanks for watching. Bye.